This is a Mercedes-Benz C216 EZS. According to the customer, the car is difficult to start when the car is cold. Sometimes disconnecting the battery helps, but other times it doesn't work. Regarding this phenomenon, we have developed a repair kit. By installing this kit directly, the unit will work normally again. Now, let's disassemble it. Priya opened the cover. Then remove the PCB. Our kit includes 3 small chips and 3 capacitors. First, we use a hot air gun to desolder and remove the old capacitors and chips. Use solder wick to clean the residual solder on the PCB. Then we soldered on our new repair kit components. Okay, the kit replacement is complete. We can now reinstall the unit. And now, let's perform a function test. The test went well, no issues. Then we check the communications. As you can see, the VIN is recognized correctly. Our installation is finished. EZS is ready to install back on car.